Welcome to the MamasteFit Childbirth Education course. My name is Gina.
And my name is Roxanne.
I'm a perinatal fitness trainer and birth doula and the head coach here at MamasteFit. My specialty is pelvic mechanics and educating you on how to approach movement throughout your pregnancy and birth to support a strong and comfortable pregnancy and an easier labor.
I'm a labor and delivery nurse and have served as a birth assistant at a freestanding birth center and currently a student midwife. I teach the medical aspect of our course so you can better understand your options for birth and feel informed on what decisions are the best for you.
In this course, we'll be discussing 7 main topics: the anatomy of pregnancy and labor, the physiology of pregnancy and labor. We'll be breaking down your birth options, your labor comfort measures, labor positions, helping you understand pelvic mechanics. We're going to break down pushing, and then we'll finish with the immediate postpartum. The first section is going to be the anatomy and pregnancy of labor. In this section, we'll be breaking down the anatomy of the uterus, pelvis, pelvic floor, and the muscles that support the pelvis. We will discuss how these structures work together to support your pregnancy and labor. And in this section, we will also include pelvic floor release exercises too.
You will finish this first section with a better understanding of the science of your pregnancy and how all of this prepares you for labor and birth.
The next section is the physiology of pregnancy. In this section, you will learn the physiologic changes of pregnancy, such as why do you feel more breathless and why does your low back hurt more. We will also discuss ways to optimize your stabilization and breathing to support your comfort throughout your pregnancy.
This section includes prenatal comfort measures, so pain is not a requirement of pregnancy. This section explores how to incorporate movements throughout your pregnancy to support your comfort, such as tips to overcome tailbone pain, pelvic girdle pain, and how you can modify your workouts to support your pregnancy.
In section 3, we will begin to venture into labor. We will break down what is happening during labor, learn the hormones that support labor, what to expect during labor, and when you should head to your birth location, and then what to do if your water breaks, and then how to address stalls in your labor.
In section 4, we discuss your birth options. Interventions are not evil nor bad, but there can be a lot of negative stigma associated with things such as Pitocin or an epidural. There are a lot of medical tools available to you during your birth. This doesn't mean that you need to utilize all of those tools, but understanding what is available can help you better facilitate conversations with your medical team to make the best decisions for you and your individual and unique experience. In this section, we break down your birth options, induction, cesarean birth, and birth planning.
In section 5, we will explore labor comfort measures, labor positions, and how we can utilize to create more space in your pelvis to support your labor progress. This is the bulk of our specialty, pelvic mechanics.
You'll finish this section feeling much more confident on what positions you can do to create more space based on where your baby is in the pelvis. And your birth partner will feel more confident on different comfort measures and how to support you in birth.
In section 6, we will be breaking down the second stage of labor, pushing. A lot of us feel more anxious about pushing. It can be intense, and it's also really unfamiliar. We explain our proven techniques to help make your pushing more efficient, but also acknowledge that the best technique is the one that you choose to utilize in the moment. And so we're going to explore a few strategies together.
And then in the final section, we explore the immediate postpartum, the first 48 hours after birth. In this section, you will learn what newborn procedures are available to you after birth and what to expect before you head home from the hospital or at your birth center or home birth.
After you complete this course, we hope that you feel empowered to navigate your pregnancy, to navigate your birth, to have a positive birth experience. And we're really thankful that you chose us to support your pregnancy and birth.